LearnTEC is an incredible experience for the kids and for the parents. LearnTEC is a company that was founded with the principles based on having students to gain 21st century skills. So these are skills that can be attained through the use of technology, such as building and coding robots, coding programs, creating games through app development, and also through coding, both block coding and peeling back the block coding and then getting into the syntax of the actual coding, such as Java or Python. So for the kids, when they actually create an app using an Android app, they are able to share that app with their friends, they can share it with their family, and what they don't even realize is they're actually learning. They are able to actually excel a little bit better in some of their other coursework because it transcends over into school, what they're learning in these enrichment classes. As a student who may or may not know that they have a skill or a hidden skill, it's important to know we have different gifts. We have multiple intelligences. We're very smart at different things. So some of us may be very talented in the arts. Some of us may be very talented in vocal or visual or technology, where we have our logical and critical thinking. LearnTEC methods for you to explore that. So as an example, with our 3D printing class, you may be very good at the arts. So you can draw and create things from your mind and then turn it into an actual 3D object. Or if you have you enjoy tinkering. So if you are a tinkerer, you can do things very well with your hands, then you may be very good at putting together the gears and cogs and pulleys and the electronics of a robot. So as a parent, you want the best for your kid. And imagine if your child is the next person to discover something major that can change the world. And all it takes is that spark. It takes the initial access to the exposure of technologies that you may not have been exposed to. LearnTEC is something that has been a dream of mine, something that I've started from scratch, and I want to expose as many kids to technologies they may not have otherwise been exposed to.